Hello. This is a 2007 Chevy Suburban. 2007 Z71. This is not how it looked when I got it. It was in horrible, horrible shape. I had to swap out the tires, the headlights, the tail lights, buff it, wax it. Like, so much work. So much work to get it to look like this. So much work. So much work. And I just got these new Z71. Look at this. Isn't that beautiful? Got the dual exhaust, you know. And even though the outside looks so beautiful, the inside is just as amazing. Look at these rims. If you saw the ones that came on before this, you'd be like, OMG. So anyway, this is full leather interior. Look. Full leather interior, peanut butter and chocolate, full leather interior, TVs, all TVs with the Bose sound system. These speakers are super loud, and this TV, I have a chip in there with 800 music videos on it, and they play while you're driving for your passenger and your people in the back. So it's got the moonroof. This car is fully loaded. Anyway, I love it because I put a lot of time.
Dad, enough flowers for you. Enough flowers for you.
Yeah? Oh, thank you, baby.
They're all yours.
Oh, thank you. Thank you.
You're welcome.
I love you.
I love you too. I picked some for you.
Okay. Here, say hi.
Hi.
You're so beautiful.
Oh,
Anyway, back to Suburban. There it is. You know what I'm saying? I love it. I hope that you guys are enjoying the looks of this vehicle. It is beautiful. And I got it jacked up. 2-inch lift. So, there it is.
Dad, can I see your flowers? No.
Oh, say that again, baby.
Where's the flowers?
I have them. Hang on.
Dad, you have to move that honey left. Hey. What are you doing? Hey.